Look at this massive structure with complicated and unique roof design. This is a new product of Liri, the grid structure tent. This one behind me is 20 meters wide and 30 meters long, 6.6 meters eave height. It may look complicated, but actually it's not quite difficult for the installation. Prefabricated modular design for every section, and we create 8 new molds especially for this structure. So we try to make everything easier in assembling. Look at this roof structure. It really looks like a mountain group, don't they? But actually, we have another 2 designs we call saddle and inflatable cube. The grid structure tent is quite suitable for high-end conference, exhibition, sports venue, warehouse, and different high-class events. Look inside this massive, and look at this excellent drainage system every 5 meters, and also this big circle frame, which is quite stable. The side wall can be selected by the ABS panel and the glass panel, which can be horizontal or vertical. Check this glass, almost 1.5 meters big. It looks really pretty nice. And this is coated glass, which means you can see out but not in, which is good for the privacy protection. As mentioned above, the side eave is 6.6 meters. Actually, the design is double 3.3 meters, which means double story is available inside. Just to put the flooring system for the first floor, that is all good. The grid structure can be made in 6 meters large. Level 10 wind force is totally not a problem. Structure safety is absolutely good. Subscribe for more details. We're happy to hear from you.